The Trax floor mats for 2024 to 2026 models are meticulously designed to fit perfectly in your Chevrolet Trax, providing a seamless look and excellent protection for your vehicle's interior. Constructed from high-quality thermoplastic elastomer material, these floor mats are durable, non-toxic, and odorless, ensuring long-lasting use without compromising the safety or comfort of your vehicle. These mats offer exceptional all-weather protection, effectively shielding your car's carpet from dust, mud, rain, and snow, making them ideal for everyday use in various outdoor activities. The design includes high hemming and retention buckles, which keep the mats securely in place, preventing any movement that could lead to wear or discomfort while driving. Installing these floor mats is a straightforward process that requires no professional help, and they are easy to clean with just a simple rinse or wipe down. Investing in these floor mats ensures peace of mind, as the manufacturer provides excellent customer service and support for any issues that may arise during transit or use.